What sets Tesla apart from the competition? How can they maintain their business? And how can the answers to these questions impact your financial decisions? First and foremost, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now is the ideal time to do so. By the end of this video, make sure to give it a resounding thumbs up. However, Tesla's ambitions go far beyond just electric vehicles. The company is also making significant investments in renewable energy, with a new factory in Shanghai devoted to producing megapacks. As Tesla enters new industries for energy storage, its future looks bright. This fascinating report will explore Tesla's ambitious aspirations. Examine the benefits of its new factory in China and learn how the business maintains an advantage over its rivals. By 2020, Tesla wants to reach 20 million deliveries, which would give them a commanding 24% of the market and solidify their position as the top car maker to accomplish this ambitious goal. Tesla has carefully outlined a plan that calls for lowering powertrain battery and general assembly costs by 50% in order to enter the mass market and take 50% of the market. Tesla also intends to build a new manufacturing facility in Nuevo Leon, Mexico, and by choosing this specific site, it will be able to take advantage of many beneficial advantages. Gaining access to a skilled labor pool and enjoying reduced labor expenses are two major advantages. By continuing to be eligible for this credit through their Mexican manufacturing operations, Tesla can take advantage of the $7,500 tax credit that is available to us electric vehicle buyers. This tax credit acts as an incentive for buyers, effectively offsetting a portion of the cost of buying a Tesla. By passing the savings down to their customers, Tesla can make their electric cars more enticing and reasonably priced. By exporting automobiles from their new Mexican plant, they can also benefit from Mexico's several tariff arrangements with other Latin American countries. Customers in nations like Brazil and other Latin American markets can purchase Tesla products at a more competitive price thanks to these treaties, which result in lower tariffs or even duty-free commerce. Overall, it seems that Tesla made a wise decision in establishing a new manufacturing facility in Mexico. By taking advantage of cost savings and broadening their market reach, they are setting themselves up for long-term growth and success, which will attract a lot of investors. Have a positive outlook for the company's future performance and a bullish attitude toward its possibilities. At Tesla's recent Investor Day, they demonstrated the depth of their management, talent that gave many stakeholders peace of mind. It's important to remember that Tesla is not entirely dependent on Elon Musk's leadership. This year, the eagerly awaited Cybertruck is expected to be released, and an incredible 1.3 million orders have already been placed. If Tesla can launch the Cybertruck this year and deliver 200,000 units the following year, its impact is anticipated to be monumental. Additionally, Tesla's energy business, which generates $801 million in revenue from energy generation and storage, serves as another growth driver, potentially resulting in a value of about 40 cents per share. Some analysts have a very positive prognosis for this industry. According to Tesla investor Gary Black, the company might make about $20 billion in revenue and $8 billion in gross profit by 2023, which is a substantial according to a new analysis by Kanakoki Annuity. Milestone investors should keep a close eye on the enormous prospects that Tesla has ahead of it as it continues to pave the route for a sustainable future. Tesla was praised for being sustainable. Behemoth hailed for its outstanding accomplishments in the fields of energy storage and solar power, particularly Tesla, which has made a name for itself as a major player in the clean energy and electric vehicle industries. The report highlighted Tesla's bright future with a strong balance sheet in the upcoming months. Due to its strong financial positions, the corporation is well positioned to handle any prospective economic downturns. Tesla as a safe and dependable investment choice, increasing investor trust in the business's long-term outlook. Acknowledging the growing significance of renewable energy as part of its strategic expansion objectives, Tesla has prioritized offering a wide range of solar and energy storage products. The company is dedicated to offering clean energy solutions that meet a variety of client needs. In a major step to increase its presence in China's booming market, Tesla recently announced the opening of a factory in Shanghai that will only produce their groundbreaking megapack batteries. Construction is expected to start in the third quarter of this year, and production will start in the second quarter of 2024. Tesla plans to produce an astounding 10,000 megapack units a year for global distribution. This choice emphasizes China's strategic significance and Tesla's global expansion plan. China is presently Tesla's second largest market, contributing about 25% of its revenue in 2022. The firm plans to further increase its presence in China with the construction of the new factory. By leveraging the enormous market potential and establishing itself as a major force in the area, Tesla is able to meet the rising demand for electric cars and clean energy solutions, which is in line with China's drive for environmental awareness and sustainability. In 2019, Tesla made history by deciding to build a gigafactory in Shanghai, making it the first foreign automaker to own a factory in China. Since then, the company has successfully tapped into China's strong demand for electric vehicles and its dedication to lowering carbon emissions. In addition to meeting local demand, the Shanghai plant, which mainly manufactures Model 3 and Model Y vehicles, has been crucial to Tesla's growth in China. In 2020 alone, more than 30,000 Model Y vehicles were exported from the Shanghai plant to Europe, supporting the company's growth in other markets. Tesla's worldwide sales numbers. Tesla's energy storage devices now have new markets in China thanks to the country's recent spike in demand for grid storage batteries brought on by frequent power disruptions in 2021. Germany regions now mandate that newly constructed wind and solar farms include enough battery capacity to store a portion of the electricity produced by these developing trend represents a significant opportunity for Tesla to expand its foothold in the energy storage market, further strengthening its position as a leader in renewable energy and battery storage solutions. For those unaware of the magnitude of this development for Tesla, it's advisable to keep a close watch in the upcoming months. The future appears exceedingly bright for the company's expansion into renewable energy and battery storage markets, with tremendous potential for future growth and innovation in the horizon. This demand is primarily fueled by the installation of electricity storage systems, and China happens to dominate the production of rechargeable batteries and the necessary chemical processes for their creation. But let's focus on Tesla's new factory in Shanghai, where they will be manufacturing megapacks that can store enough energy to power 3,600 homes for an entire hour. These batteries are not only cost-effective, but also perfect for utility-scale power storage, making them an ideal solution for saving wind and solar energy for future use. Now, why did Tesla choose Shanghai as the location for their new factory? Well, there are several reasons. With a dominant battery supply chain, China is ideally positioned to boost production and cut costs. In addition, political tensions between the US and China are rising. Many American business people are reluctant to use China's battery supply chain to make investments in the nation. Despite fierce competition from local giants like Warren Buffett backed to Biden Neo, the Biden administration and the Chinese government have been actively encouraging companies to invest in emerging technologies. In the United States, the President Biden signed Inflation Reduction Act offers incentives for the production of rechargeable batteries to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles. Tesla's new factory will enable the company to meet the rising global demand for energy storage. Although a significant increase in battery production is required to meet Tesla's ambitious goal of selling 20 million vehicles annually by the end of the decade, cost restrictions must be put in place throughout the whole supply chain, especially for batteries, in order to produce truly affordable electric automobiles. That concludes this video. If Musk can lower battery costs, Tesla has a clear path to growth, according to Simon Moss, CEO of Benchmark Mineral Intelligence. However, Tesla faces fierce competition from hungry rivals looking to take market share. If Musk is unable to do so, it could be a major setback for the company. If you want to stay up to date on Tesla's latest endeavors, make sure to watch our next video on your screen and see you there.